Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today I'm going to be talking about my first 1,000 miles with the brand new 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Yes, we bought this Jeep less than a month ago. We've been lifting it, we've been adding lights and our own little signature touches with some blacking out of the badges and the hood and everything like that. And we put about 1,000 miles on it, and this is what I have to say about the Gladiator. The first thing, and this is undeniable, people already love it so much. Everybody wants to come up to you and talk about it, whether you're at a restaurant, whether you're at a gas station, or whether you're just coming back from your car and it's in a parking garage. People are going to be standing around it and talking about it. Because either one, a lot of people have been anticipating it, or two, very few people have seen a Jeep truck. So that's my first thing. Just go ahead and be ready for the next 6 months, maybe longer, to have a lot of people stop you and take your time with it. So my thoughts are, I love the amount of small little details that Jeep has gone to, the lengths that Jeep has gone to put their own little touches on the Jeep. Like the headlights having Jeep built into the headlights. The halogen ones have an actual Jeep like grill in the center of it. Moving on to the interior has lots of little touches, like there's a Gladiator that goes across the instrument cluster and stuff like that. And then the other small little touches about the Gladiator with the Heart 419, which is the zip code for the Toledo manufacturing plant where they make all of the Gladiators, to the little dirt bike tracks, the tire tracks in the back of the bed. Honestly, my first 1,000 miles, it's so much like just a regular Jeep Wrangler, so much like a JL with the 8-speed automatic transmissions. I absolutely love them, but unless you're towing something, you're not going to see a difference. And in all honesty, my first 1,000 miles, I've used it to tow a boat a handful of times. By a handful, probably 6-ish times, and it's great. It's great for towing, but I haven't used the bed for anything. In all honesty, what did I use the bed for? I used the bed to put some luggage in it for a trip that I went on, and that's about it, for some suitcases. And I don't really use the bed that much. I could go and save the money and just get a Jeep Wrangler, just get a JL. But if you're towing, you cannot compare it to a Jeep Wrangler. My next thought is, it just needs a bigger, beefier motor. The selling point is the hauling and the towing portion of the truck. However, it's got the same power and the same torque as a JL. So beef up the motors. Let us get a V8 option. Let us get the diesel option. I'm sure they're going to come out with a diesel option, but we only have the 3.6 right now. I would really be a whole lot more excited with, even if they dropped it to like a 4.7 V8 or a 5.7. 5.7 Hemi, that'd be great. Slap it on in there, would be great to go. Besides that, honestly, it's in Texas. I enjoy being able to take the top and the doors off. Absolutely enjoy it. Cannot beat it, but when it's 110 outside, 109 with the heat index, it's not 110. It's just a little hot, but there's nothing like having the ability to be able to pop the door open and slide it right off. My biggest disappointment with the Gladiator, with the JT, is the lack of aftermarket parts. Now I understand it was just released. Why are your expectations so high? And it's just, I want to do more to it. I want to add front fenders, which you can because it's a JL from here up. I want to add new boards to it, new rails, new steps, whatever you want to call them, rock sliders, rock sliding engineering. I'm ready for your rock sliders, or amp. I would love a set of boards for it. But as of June 25th, they don't have anything yet. And the biggest thing is the rear fenders. I'm ready for some rear fenders. Also Smittybilt and Metal Cloak and everybody like that. I'm kind of excited, and I'm kind of skeptical to see what y'all do in terms of armor, or even if you're gonna try to make any armor pieces for this whole back panel. So that's my first 1,000 miles with the Jeep. It's a little underpowered for towing, and I don't know if it's necessarily worth the extra $3,500 to $4,000 if you're not gonna use the bed for anything. And then my next thing would be, if you're gonna use the bed for something, why are you buying the Gladiator? Get like a Tacoma or a Ranger or a Colorado that you're gonna save $15,000 to $20,000 on, and you're just paying for the Jeep, you're just paying for the Gladiator, you're paying for the name, you're paying to take your doors and your top off, which you can't beat. Maybe it's worth it to you. But those are my initial thoughts. I really do love the Jeep. I know I'm really talking down about it, but if you want this, go out and buy it, absolutely, hands down. I just don't know if it's the best value for your money. If you need to take anything away from this video, I don't know if it's worth what you're gonna pay for it. Those are my thoughts. So that's my first 1,000 miles. We might be getting you some more updates. It depends how long until somebody comes and buys it. So thanks for watching. Go watch some of our other videos, the 10 things I love, the 10 things I hate, our initial thoughts, the biggest flaw, the walkthrough videos, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 videos. Go watch our videos on the Gladiator. Get to know us, get to know the brand. We would love to do some work on your vehicle and possibly sell you this Gladiator if you want. So again, my name is Michael with Central Alps. Thanks for watching and have a great day.